Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create account on CoinMarketCap, also known as CMC. To create account on CoinMarketCap, you can either visit the official website that is coinmarketcap.com or download the CoinMarketCap application from the Play Store on your mobile phone. First, you have to tap open your application. Here, you have to tap on Create an account. Here, you have to enter your valid email address. Then, you have to set your password. Make sure that your password has minimum 8 characters with both letters and numbers. After this, you can tap on Create an account. Here, you have to complete the security verification. You will now be provided with verification email sent to your mail. You have to tap on Open Email. Check your inbox, then tap on CMC account. You can either copy this code and enter it or just tap on click here to verify account. Here you can subscribe to a daily newsletter. If not, just tap on no thanks. And here you go. Your account has been successfully created. Tap on let's go. And here you are ready to use all the features in this application. That's it for my video today. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon to never miss out our videos. Goodbye till then.